I recently got an email question about propagating Shoal Creek Vitex. You can propagate these two ways. The best way is by cutting. The other way is by seed. Once these flowers have set, they will produce seed and you can produce plants from that, but it's going to take a long time. These plants actually propagate very easily by cutting. You just want to get some of the younger wood, top of the stem. You want to get something that's about 6 to 8 inches long that has several nodes, because this is where your roots will form from. And basically all you need to do is place it directly into soil. You want to put it in something that is well drained, maybe a little sandy. You want it to be moist at all times, but you don't want it to be waterlogged. So you can either just place this straight in, or you can use something like a rooting hormone that I have here. You want to dip it in water, put it in, tap, 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 tap to get the excess off, and then we place the cutting into the media. You want to keep this watered and moist for about a week or two, and then your roots will form. You can also just put this straight in water, and when you see root formation, you can then transplant it into soil. Now, there are other plants that you can make cuttings from your yard. I just picked a few things that I had around here. Evergreen wisteria and our traditional deciduous wisteria is extremely easy to propagate. These flowering maples are easy to propagate. So just try your hand at a couple of things in the yard. Take some cuttings, place them in some soil, and watch them grow. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.